Martin, I keep hearing about bookkeeping accounts, but they all blur together. What are the major types?
Think of them as 5 buckets that tell your business story: assets, liabilities, equity, revenue, and expenses. Assets are what the business owns, like cash, equipment, or inventory. Liabilities are what it owes, like loans or unpaid bills. Equity is the owner's stake in the business after liabilities are considered. Revenue is money earned from sales or services. Expenses are the costs of running the business, like rent, salaries, and supplies.
So assets and expenses are different because one adds value and the other is a cost?
Exactly. A laptop you keep using is an asset. Your monthly internet bill is an expense. When these accounts are organized properly, you can see profit, track cash, and make smarter decisions.
That finally makes sense. Bookkeeping is less about memorizing terms and more about understanding how the business moves.
Exactly. Once you know the 5 account types, the numbers start speaking your language.